Looking for furnace installation and replacement in Strathcona County? At Kingstree Plumbing, we provide fast, professional heating solutions to keep your home warm and energy efficient. Our licensed furnace installers specialize in high-efficiency furnace replacements and seamless new installations, ensuring affordable, reliable service with no hidden fees. As local heating experts, we understand Strathcona County's climate and offer energy-efficient furnace options designed to reduce heating costs while maximizing comfort. For trusted furnace installation and replacement, choose Kingstree Plumbing, your go-to heating specialists in Strathcona County. Call us now or book online today.